Good morning once again. Para sa atong pasalamat, ato lang timbol ng atong pagpakpak. Atong timbol ang atong pagpakpak. Again, timbol, dili sa mupakpak na. In behalf of Mactan Elementary School faculty and staff, headed by our principal, Sir Leonardo Imar, who is now having a one-week seminar on Waxi Sir Dere, would like to express our heartfelt gratitude, first and foremost, to our Almighty Father, who is the reason of all these things. To all our catechists, headed by Sister Barbie, who've been very hard-working enough to make all this possible. Thank you so much, mga sis and bros. To our acolytes, alagad, lectors, collectors, our choir, Brad Bal, together with the selected grade 4, grade 3, grade 5, and grade 6 teachers, together with the student teachers. Thank you. And of course, to our dear parents and guardians who is present today, na nilib pa jud sa ilang different routines just to be here present with this memorable event in the life of their child. The third sacrament of our church, the communion. Thank you very much and congratulations. To our generous priest, Father Scipio and Father Saki, who took time not just once, but twice na ni-attribute sa school para paghatag sa sacrament of confession. Salamat kayo inyo, Father, and God bless you always. And to our Mass presider and homilist, Father Zachary Zacharias. Thank you very much. Let's give them a big round of applause. Once again, thank you and congratulations.
I would like to ask the parents, ang togas and veil, pwede ninyo i-turn over at the back sa mga katikista later after your picture taking. And may I remind everyone, please do not leave your things or your trash on your chairs or on the pews. Make sure everything is clean. Again, may I request, parents on the hallway, but just through the stairs, please.